things we can do if we want to test airflow, a little quick. So one of the back screen of the controller is we go to off, and then there's actually a hidden button behind the Advantage Air logo. As we need to push the Advantage Air button and the up and down arrow buttons all at the same time. This will get us in the back screen. Then we go into the back screen where it says manual closed. And this is where we can go and we can quickly diagnose whether or not the zone is actually going to drive or work for us. And we can test for airflow. You can do this in the room, so you can just turn on close it, and if you push the power button, it goes open. So instead of having to wait for the zone to move, it will just quickly move it. Within about 15 or 20 seconds, should have airflow come through if the zone is working. If they find that this is not the case, then we may have an issue with the zone motor or something else within the system. So if your single VAV system has failed, please watch our video on how to upgrade to the new version. Thank you for watching. We invite you to follow us and also check out our online stores.